Good morning, class.
Good morning.
So, for today's class, we are going to start on chemical families, patterns, and patterns in properties. So for today's class, the objective of today is that you should be able to identify alkaline earth metals and write their configuration. So from anyone who knows the alkaline earth metals, Deborah, magnesium, good. Any other metal that is in group 2 that is considered alkaline earth metal? Beryllium. And then, yeah, good, that is good. So we have alkaline earth metals. We have, what Debbie has said, we have beryllium. We also have magnesium, and we have calcium. So, any essential use of magnesium. What do you know how these metals can benefit in human health? So for magnesium, we have like magnesium. It's essential in human body that it regulates blood pressure. Anyway, for today's class, we will be noting on their configuration. And you remember in the last week class, we had talked about how we distribute electrons, and we have for beryllium we have 2, 2. For magnesium we have 2, 8, 2. It is number 12. It has atomic number 12. For calcium we have 2, 8, 2. Today here with me, I have a chart that shows alkaline earth metals, electron arrangement of alkaline earth metals. I would want you to what is common, predict the electron arrangement of these metals. What can you say about it? Yes, that's good, Deborah. So Deborah said, when you see their valence electrons for the three elements, that is beryllium, magnesium, and calcium, you can see that we have 2 electrons. Elvis, please keep quiet with that. Concentrate. For beryllium, we have 2 electrons in the outermost energy level. Same for magnesium and calcium. So I would want, having seen the chart, I would want you to draw. I want you to draw the atomic structure of beryllium, magnesium, and calcium, showing distributing the electrons in their energy levels correctly as I go around and check them. You draw yes. Let me see your diagram. Yes, this is good. Has everyone done that? Has everyone understood? You've seen from the chart that we have two. So whenever you write them, make sure you check for these elements from our previous class. When we were talking about alkali metals, we saw about their outermost electrons. For alkaline earth metal, you've seen that the similarity that they have is that we have two electrons in their outermost energy level. And you've been able to discover that yourself. Yeah. So, any question? Any clarification you would want to know about alkaline earth metals? Dana, any problem? Yeah, another thing I would want to explain to you, the reason why we call it alkaline earth metals, it's because they form alkaline solution when they react with water. Because when you react magnesium plus water, we'll see during our previous next class, we'll be able to react them with water and you'll see whether it's acid or basic, but that's basically why we call it alkaline earth metals. So today, for today's class, we've been able to see that these alkaline earth metals, they are found in group 2. Also, they have two valence electrons in their outermost energy level. What's anyone who can tell us what we've also learned today in class? Anyways, what have you learned today in our class?
Alkaline metals alkaline earth metals are usually alkaline and basic.
And the reason being? Yeah, so the reason why we call them alkaline earth metals is because when you react them with water, they form alkaline solution. Right, and we'll be able to see that in our next class. So today I have an assignment for you. So I want you to write them down so that you can collect them in our next. Your class rep will collect it and bring it to my office. So we have what is the electron configuration of calcium? Electron configuration of calcium. Are you taking notes? And I hope you took notes of this. You took notes of. So and then we have why is magnesium important in the human body? Why is magnesium? Anderson, are you with us? Why is magnesium important in the human body? Yeah, so that is our question for today. Any question? Any question? Yeah, thank you. That's.
Another question.
Yes.
What are the uses of these alkaline earth metals?
Yeah. So we have they are essentials. They are these metals. They are essential in the human body. We have like magnesium. I've said one of the use is regulates blood pressure. That's why you've seen in when you buy these supplements, you get to see that it's called magnesium sulfate. Yeah, that's the use of magnesium. We also have another use that it reduces stress and anxiety. Those people that suffer from depression and they are given supplements that contains these elements and it helps them. Yeah. Any other question?